are here right now at, what is this place called again? Itajuba.
Minas Gerais.
In Minas Gerais. It's beautiful, as you can see. Very green. We're also flying our drone. I don't know if you can see it up there. But we're trying to get some cool shots. Test it out. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Caipirinha. Not the caipirinha.
Não.
Caipirinha com vodka.
Cachaça.
Cachaça daqui?
Que lindo. Oh, lindo, lindo. Oh, it's foaming. Cheers, saúde. Delicioso.
Vamos ver fazer amizade com você, ó.
Fish.
This is traditional food in Minas Gerais, Brazil, because the pasta is the corn and broccoli
E cheese.
and cheese.
Don't forget.
Very hot.
Muito bom. This basil?
Mom, show this. Show.
Como que fala muito prazer, cara? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Bom.
Aí ele falou muito prazer.
Nada.
We don't want to live here, right, baby?
Yeah, it's so beautiful here. We just met the owner, Leandro. Leandro. We just talked to Leandro, and he's owned this place for 13 years. Originally, his father bought this place, and once he gave it to Leandro, he decided to turn it into a big, basically a big bar with a beautiful view and serve wonderful food. And he was just so appreciative to meet us and talk to us, and he saw us using the drone to take videos and pictures, and he was just so nice, and we were so very nice to meet you,
Obrigado.
Obrigado, Rinaldo.
Leandro.
Leandro, obrigado. And we don't want to leave your place, but ciao.
Ciao.
Currently, we're at a lookout point in Itajuba. Over behind me is City Hall, and there's a cinema and a theater. And behind me now you have some boats, but they're not in operation due to COVID. And over there you could hear in the distance go-karts. They have go-karts over there. They also have, if you see those tents over there, those white tents, they have it's a shoppy, and it's actually a tap house. And they have serve IPAs, which I didn't know Brazil had any IPAs. I thought that was just an American thing. But they have IPAs, so we'll hopefully try that, maybe if we have time. Another thing too, we also have a Freemason statue. I didn't know they also had Freemasons in Brazil. Very cool. Beautiful place. You must visit this place if you're ever in the area. Ciao.
Acho que tinha alguém com fome.
Tinha. Eu vi. Eu vi. Eu vi.
A da Bela já
Pega um olhinho, põe. Eu não tô conseguindo ver. Tem que chamar a tia B e a tia Amanda. Quem sabe a semana que vem? Não sei.
Tá. Vamos rezar pra dar certo?
Tem que ver aí como é que vai ficar a história do carnaval.
Or me. I think it's me.
Levanta aqui, né?
Não.